Question 5. Find out through internet and popular science articles whether animals other than man has self-consciousness or not. Okay, I'll tell you one incident. There were two monkeys, okay, or chimpanzees, we can say like that. They were given, one of them was given more reward and the other one was not rewarded as much as the first one. So do you know what did the first one do? First one gave back the reward and took only as much as the other one was offered. So this is what is consciousness. Now let's see what we are supposed to write. There are evidence that some great apes or chimpanzees have self-consciousness and are able to distinguish between good and bad of some extent. Okay, so students, even animals show such consciousness. They sense things like good and bad. So this is what you're supposed to write. So we have got documented proof regarding chimpanzees. So write about chimpanzees. Okay.